welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last video, we have covered index formula. If you haven't watched that video, the link has been given above. You can check out the video. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. And in this video we are going to learn about index match, how you can get the values with this index match formula. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Now here we do have this table from the previous video. So now I just want our values from this annual salary, and the employee code is this. So simply we will write here index, and here we have to select this table. So let me select this table, and now we have to give match, and here it is asking for lookup value. So this will be our lookup value, and lookup array would be this employee ID, where this will find our lookup value. Now we will simply give exact match, and that is 0, and we will give column index, that is 1. So now we will close the bracket, and we will see the value for E04533 employee ID is this. So let's check here. So simply it is showing here, and now this employee ID 113, this one, so it is E0533. So let me highlight this one. So now I'll select employee ID, okay, and then I'll go to the conditional formatting, and here the text content. So simply I'll point this cell, okay, this one. So simply whenever we will select something, so it will highlight here. Now if we will change any employee ID from here, so simply it is showing 146742, so value is coming correct. So now if you want the bonus, so simply you have to change. So as you can see here, it is showing 10%. So if you will change this into the percentage, it will be 10%. Now again, if you want values from this column, so simply you have to change 3. Okay, so as you can see here how easy this index formula is, index match formula is. So now we want an entire row value for this employee ID. So simply what you can do here is, instead of 3, you just have to give 0. So now you can see it is showing the entire row for this employee ID. Now what I want to do is, again, I don't want any values from this table. I want values from this employee data table. So again, what I simply do is, I'll again write index, and then I'll go to this employee data, and from here I'll select till n column and select the entire table. And again I have to give match, and to match we do have the values in this cell, and you have to check for lookup array, where this employee's ID will be in the column. So you will go to the employee data, and you will select this complete column from here to here, and then you will give a 0, and you give, you want a name, simply you give a reference of second column, that is 2, and we will close the bracket. So now you can see here this person is the name, the employee ID for this person is this one. So simply we will check this one, it's E04239 from employee data. So here let's copy this one, and let's find here if it is same. So as you can see here, it is showing correctly. Okay, So now for an example in this formula, I just don't want a one value. I just want a value from the entire row. I just want to see the entire row for this employee ID. So again, simply what you can do is you can simply add 0 and you can see the entire row is reflecting here. So you don't have to go to this sheet and you don't have to find out what is the country name and what is the bonus, what is the salary, everything is in the row. You can simply find it out or you can customize as per of your requirement. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any doubt or any question, you simply write your queries on comment box or you can reach out on our official mail ID. So stay tuned with our channel. Let's see you on the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.